This
Progress.
okay. Today we would like to move to the reading comprehension. Uh, This one about the reading comprehension. There is some summary I take. This one usually contain 5 pages. There are usually from 8 to 12 questions. It's like 1 page or 5 page, one part. Usually more than 2 questions. 1, 2, 3 till 12 or 10. What else? Referring to the passage for a total of 50 questions. The passage vary in length from about 7 lines to about 35. So sometimes it's short and you will find out it is so long. And in Indonesia, we say that kisi-kisi. The passage cover a wide range of topic, but in general can be classified as a follow. This one is talking about, in the TOEFL test, talking about science and technology 40%. 40% topics talking about that. And then 20% about North American history, government, geography, or maybe culture. And then 15% is it the art, and then 10% is it the social science. So if you like to build your reading practice, try to focus into the topics here, but it doesn't need to limit your reading part. It's okay, you can read anything, but if you want to focus into the four types, it's okay. Let's see the next one. What else? Okay. This is the summary. The main types of questions can categorize like this is the type of question in the TOEFL test, especially for the reading. 10% of them will talk about and ask about the main purpose. And usually the question is like this asks you to identify an answer choice. Okay, and that correctly summarize another's main idea, subject, whole piece, or the other reason for the writing passage. And usually it will be start from this question. What is the main of the passage? What is the passage primarily about? And what did the author write the passage? It means they are talking about the main idea. Or related to the factual question, it's around 24. So you can see this is the highest percentage. No, 26. This is the second highest percentations question, type question in the reading parts. In this task, you need to locate and identify answer to question about the specific information and details in the passage. Usually you will find out these questions in this form, according to the passage, where did something something. According to the author, why did the something something find out? Why did this text read, write to, and so on? Which of the following is true according to the passage? So it's usually asking about the factual. And there is a negative question. This asks you which of the answer choice is not discussed in the pages. In the passage, let's see, which of following is not true about something something, or all of the following are true except. So two types of question, and the answer is guide you to find out the negative answer. And then type of the questions, fourth is the scanning question. Only 4% is not really much. Where in the passage that the author first discussed about example about Disneyland, like that. So, or talk about the interference of government to the financial and so on. So, when you say that the questions related to this part, where is the passage? It means they're talking about the scanning. Scanning, you didn't need to read all of them just to like scan, find out in the faster ways which one might be the focus on to the questions or to be the answer. And then the next type of the reading is an inference question where you need to draw conclusion. It's like you to need to make a summary based on the information in the text. See the example of the question. But not only this, we have but related to the types. You usually find out the order implies that which of the following is true. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? So if you find out this part, it means they're asking about you to conclude the summary. That's an inferred or implies. And then this is the highest one, 26%. It's talking about the vocabulary in the content. They ask you to identify the meaning of the word or phrase as just in the passage. It's like the word something something in line 5, it's closet and meaning too. See, 26%. With the first one, the highest one. And 10. Reference question. They ask you to identify the noun to which a pronoun or other expression refers. Like the word eat in line, sorry. The word eat in line 15 refers to something something. The word example eat in line refers to, you can find out might be they, them, or the name of the place. And then in line or in another expression in line 20, the word there refers to which of the following, like that. So this is the type of the questions in the TOEFL test, especially about the reading. And this is the example of the question. Okay, let's see. Let's try to practice this part. Definitely, you have a test here. If you like to read, it's okay. And the reading silent. And we try to decide to answer for number 1 to number 6 together. My internet connection is not really good, so I turn off my cam because I found that is unstable. Okay. For one six, uh, 10 minutes, it's okay. The technology. The technology of the North American colonies did not differ strictly. Okay, let's see number 1. They said, what does the passage mean? Discussion. It means they're talking about the main idea. Okay, Mr. and Miss. Oh, only Misters here. Would you like to send me number 1 after you read?
Excuse me, Miss. Before we maybe drop the answer, can I uh, can I uh, want to know how is the most effective way to I mean are we must read all of this
Oh, no.
passage? Yes,
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, you're right. Thank you so much, Mr.
yes, yes, yes.
Just, yeah. Okay. Yes, you're right. In the test, we will not have much time to read all of them, but usually we try and we start from the questions first. And when they are talking about the passage mainly discussed, it means talking about the main idea. Usually, main idea will exist in the first paragraph, or in the last paragraph. So we can sit together here. Here we go. See the answer first, the choices, the advantages. Do you The advantages of using wood in the colonies, the effect of abundance of wood and colonies, the root of the difference between coal iron and coke iron. Ah, okay, Mr. Randy. Okay, let's see. The technology of the North American colonies did not differ strictly from that of Europe, but in one respect. The colonies especially enjoyed the great advantage, especially the compares with the brain Americans want. In writing, in the writing theories, they usually write text, ada namanya uh, main sentence kalau ya main sentence kalimat utamanya. Kalimat utama itu nanti yang menjelaskan ke bagian bawah. Berarti yang dijelaskan oleh main sentence itu adalah penjabaran dari isi topik yang sebenarnya. So if you already find out the main sentence, kayak example in Indonesia like this. Hari ini, misalnya saya akan menjelaskan cara membuat nasi goreng. Beberapa bahan yang kita perlukan adalah misalnya bahan kering, bahan bahan basah, misal example, and then the tools. Setelah itu di paragraf berikutnya dia menjelaskan yang tadi, misalnya bumbu basah. Bumbu basah terdiri dari satu satu 2 3 sampai seterusnya. Kedua, misalnya yang kering. Ketiga, toolsnya, ingredientsnya. Baru nanti penutupnya. Biasanya writing seperti itu. Nah, itu nanti teknik pasti ditulis dalam bentuk reading. Soal writing itu implementasinya ke teks dalam reading. Jadi, if you find out the main sentence, biasanya yang ke bawahnya itu hanya penjelasan dari main sentence tersebut. So we will check this one. Oke, kita cek dulu yang ini. The Britons, especially by comparison with Britain, Americans had a wonderful. Oke, yang di sini, Mister, the first colonies did not masih bicara tentang kolonis misalnya. Yang dia. Yang ini masih colonies, did not as many people imagined. Jadi biasanya masih masih ini masih kolonis. Masih bicara tentang kolonis. Terus di bagian bawah, di bagian kedua, the available of the wood brought advantages that have seldom. So we can stop for that. Kayaknya ini sambungan, ini bagian yang dia jelaskan adalah yang ini. That the price of the wood had recently. The technology of the North American colonies did not differ strictly from that to Europe, but it's wonder if it's. Di sini dia bilangnya especially by comparison to Britain, Americans has wonderful planting. Sebenarnya atasnya cuman ini, especially by comparison with Britain. Usually I will not read all of them. I will see the last of the sentence. Biasanya langsung bagian terakhir. Kalau misalnya ada yang mirip-mirip, bisa jadi yang di atas dia bilangnya technology of the North American colonies did not differ strictly from that of Europe. But in one respect, the colonies enjoy a great advantage. Di bagian terakhir, yes, di teks terakhir mana ya? The supply wood bukan. However, Britain development cooks. In the early 19th century, the former colonies luggage behind Britain. Okay. In the last takes, they're talking about the colonies ledge behind Britain industry development. So, if I decided this part, ini masih masuk di comparison Britain. Let's the advantages of using wood, it's not. The effect of abundance, the root of difference between the coral icon. Advantages using wood in the colonies. Oh no. The effect of abundance, the colonies to its one. Supply of wood. So they will talking about the wood. And this one masih wood di bagian kedua. Ketiga, the price of the wood had resigned slightly. Still wood. And in this part, they also talk about the supply of wood conference advantage, but something something. Di bagian berikutnya masih wood. Masih lihat lagi. But the American colonies had one iron ore and wood iron product was encouraged but become successful. Okay. Let's decide it. Different cocoa iron and the cocoa iron. It's not talking about that. Mr. Siapa ya? Mr. Randy said is it D? But if we decided it's not D, because let me see. My answer is the advantages of the using wood in the colonies. It isn't. Effect of abundance. No, the root of the individual. Si pastinya bukan. Terus bagian D, I don't think so. The effects of abundance of the wood on the colonies. Okay. The root of the roots of the industrial revolution, it isn't. Bukan pasti jawabannya karena terlalu jauh. Jadinya apa, Miss? Kayaknya saya B. Kita lihatnya B dulu ya, Mister. Karena kalau the advantages of using wood in the colonies, ada kata yang dia pakainya ini. Mana ya? Ada di bagian bawah. Mana kursinya? Ada di bagian bawah yang, however, the Britain developed coke smelting colonies tadi ada dua kayaknya. Ini. But the American colonies had both iron ore and wood. It means they're not only about woods. Berarti tidak hanya tentang woods. Even if they are talking about supply woods, tapi tidak tidak tentang wood saja, karena ada iron ore, ada apalagi di bagian terakhir ya. Ya ada yang lain kayak Cox. Yang jelas bukan cuma woods di bagian paragraf terakhir. Jadi kalau kita masuk yang bagian A, terus yang di bawahnya tidak tercover. And then the supply of wood conferred advantages but had some negative aspect. Yang bagian D juga bukan, yang bagian C juga bukan, bagian A juga bukan. That's why I decided we can decide it number one. Is it a B1? The abundance of wood on the colonies. Karena dia tidak cerita hanya advantages di bagian bawah, dia juga cerita tentang disadvantages. Berarti bagian A nggak dapat. Terus yang B, dia ceritanya tentang kelimpahan. Kelimpahan woods of the colonies. Iya, kalau ini masuk. Kenapa? Karena mulai dari bagian atas, bagian the technology of the did not differ distinctly from the, but in one respect, the colonies enjoyed great advantages. Especially by comparison with Britain, American had powerful plenty supply of food. Dia compare masuknya di first one did not the first colonies did not as many people imagine. Okay, in this one, by the end of the other, wood something. They are talking about still talking about the wood. Masih di kelimpahannya, but wood was still extremely abundant. Jadi kelimpahannya mulai dari sini. By the end of the colonial era, the price of wood had risen, but wood still extremely abundant. The available of wood masih dia ceritakan tentang kesediaan dari wood membawa advantages, masih kesediaannya wood. Terus di paragraf berikutnya, nah ini, the supply of wood conferred advantages. Oke, nah the wood masih cerita tentang supply-nya, masih cerita tentang ketersediaannya. Di bagian mana lagi ya? Ini kan ke bawahnya have negative aspect well iron oke itu. Jadi mulai dari bagian atas kita dapatnya semuanya talking about the woods-nya. Mulai dari extremely abundant, terus masuk di paragraf ini dia masih talking about the availability of the wood. Kalau Mister dapat kalimat seperti ini, misalnya ini yang tadi di paragraf 2, Mister kalau dapat kayak ini first kayaknya ada first, secondly, thirdly, dan seterusnya, ini adalah biasanya anak kalimat dari kalimat pertama di paragraf tersebut. Jadi di skip aja tidak apa-apa. Biasanya anak kalimat dari satu paragraf, jadi di skip aja nggak apa-apa. Karena kan kalau ini kayak ini kalimat utamanya hanya the availability of the woods brought advantages that have seldom been appreciated. Ini bagian ini itu menjelaskan tentang membawa keberuntungan apa. Mulai dari satu, dua, tiga, dan seterusnya. Jadi kalau ada yang gini skip aja. Baca aja yang pertama atau bagian terakhirnya. Sama dengan yang begini. Yang bagian kalimat sentence berikutnya atau paragraf berikutnya. The supply of wood conferred advantages but had some negative aspect as well. Iron at the time was produced by the heating iron ore with a charcoal because Britain was surprised by American. Okay, this is talking about the negative part. Mulai dari sini sampai ke bawahnya itu talkingnya about negative part dari supply of the wood conferred. Jadi karena ada positifnya, ada negatifnya juga, maka tidak hanya advantages, tapi boleh kita simpulkan the effect of an abundance of woods on the colonies. That's why the best answer is part B. Okay. I'm sorry. Hmm. That's my explanations for this part. What about number two? Karena kalau cuma advantages, kita nggak masuk advantages-nya. Ada disadvantages dari supply of food conflict itu. Tuh, Mister. Tapi dari atas sudah ada. Especially by comparison with Britain, Americans has a wonderful plenty supply of food. I guess the supply and the abundance is it same. Yang bagian bawah itu penjelasan dari especially by comparison with Britain, Americans had a wonderful plenty supply of foods. That's all. Nomor dua nebak aja. How how to use this one? Okay, let me think. Word stringly in line two is closed, meaning see. Let's see. Nomor dua. The stringly realistic is a dramatic completely immediately. It's not. The stringly is the technology of the North American colonies did not differ stylistically, completely, immediately, and dramatically from that Europe. Tidak beda realistically-nya, bukan completely, it's not. Is it the stringly has a far far meaning to the dramatically. Dia punya I guess it's yes. The dramatically string. Let's see. Stringly. Rangkaian. I don't know. Yes. Secara mengejutkan. Realistically, completely. If you are talking, see, nope. In this part, it must be the B. What is it? B? Is it also B? Sorry, it's B. Strictly not differ, tidak jauh berbeda dramatically-nya from that of Europe. But in one respect, realistically no, completely it's okay, immediately no. Immediately pasti bukan. Immediately is like, lupa jenisnya apa tapi biasanya di bagian depan. Completely, it's also no, I guess. So, just A and B. Tapi yang paling tepat adalah dramatically or sesuatu yang mengejutkan. Strangely. That's all. Part B. Let's see part C. By the way, Miss dan Miss Sak, biasanya kalau reading, kalau tes asli tidak dibaca. Tidak dibaca, cuma di skimming sama namanya di skimming. Skimming atau skimming and scanning. Cuma dilihat nanti kalau ada yang cocok baru. Tapi biasanya cari di paragraf pertama sama di paragraf terakhir. Sama kalau ada yang kayak tadi second terus because itu hanya penjelasan dari kalimat utama dari paragraf itu. Jadi skip aja Mister. Ya, mengejutkan. Yes. Okay. Let's see number three. Kita baca yuk, Sir. Closet meaning. Oke, closet meaning. Biasanya ada tipsnya Mister untuk yang closet meaning. But it's not work for all of question. You need to know the meaning or you need to know the class of the words. Itu dia. Kalau misalnya biasanya orang tidak ini ya, tidak deket closet meaningnya apa, kayak sinonimnya apa. Biasanya dilihat kelas katanya, Mister. Kalau misalnya dia noun, biasanya sinonimnya noun juga. Kalau dia adjektif, biasanya sinonimnya adjektif. Gitu-gitu. Kalau dia adverb, biasanya sinonimnya adverb. Karena tidak boleh terlalu jauh, tidak boleh pindah pindah kelas kata. Kalau pindah kelas kata, bisa jadi maknanya beda ketika dimasukkan atau digantikan dengan kata yang di closed meaning itu. Kalau nggak ada yang itu yang masalah, Mister. Untuk not sesuaikan, coba aja disesuaikan. Kalau ini kan sudah bisa kita buang, misalnya dua bisa buang, berarti sisa dua lagi kayak gitu. Saya biasanya begitu, buang dulu yang saya rasa tidak cocok. Usually I will remove, I will ignore them. Kalau yang saya rasa nggak cocok, nanti sisanya tinggal dua. Terus saya coba masukin did not differ realistically or masuknya misalnya dramatically from that of Europe. Saya saya ganti di kata di situnya, masuk di kata yang closed meaning itu. Kalau memang sama sekali tidak tahu, kalau merasa itu tidak pernah, kalau merasa itu tidak cocok, biasanya memang tidak cocok. Kalau cocok ya, it's okay, boleh. Yang jelas buang dua dulu, buang dua yang menurut Mister jauh meaningnya. That's just it. But the things and the ways you really need is understand the closed meaning or the synonym. Reading practice must be reading also. That's why there is no there is no how to say this one. There is no easily or the tips that can work so much. Ada worksnya satu-satu tapi nggak bekerja untuk semuanya, Mister. Tadi nomor berapa? Nomor 3 yuk. Which of the following is a common assumption? Oh, which of the following is a common assumptions about the forests of North America during the colonial period? Of course. Kita cari dulu ya, Mister. Ini anaknya reading, cari dulu. Mana following a common assumption about the forest of the they contain only a few types of trees that exist only along Atlantic seaboard. They had little or their economy is value. They cover the entire continent. There we go. Mr. Edi, nomor 3 deh. Nomor 3, coba lihat dulu ya. They had little or no economic value. Which of the following is a common assumptions about the forest of North America during colonial period? Common assumptions. Contain only a few types of tree? No. Exists only along the Atlantic seaboard? I don't think so. And then they cover entire continent. It's also no. Enjoy colonies, especially comparisons. Okay. Even along the Atlantic seaboard. Ada economic value. A few of type of tree. Do you see that, Miss and Mister? New forest. Economic value, colonial. By the end of the colonial era, the price of wood had risen slightly, but wood was still extremely abundant. Number 3, is it the covered and entire continent? Let's see. I would like to invite Mr. Eddie first. Mr. Eddie, I'm sorry for asking you, but would you like to share to us why you find out the economic value? D or C, Mister? Oh, D. The cover an entire continent for the answer number 3. Do you find out a passage or the text can support you in this part? The Atlantic seaboard one, anti-continent, economic outlook. Mm, what was the foundations of the economic? No, covered the entire forest during the colonial. Okay.
Yes, Miss. I just making a simple conclusion here, so that I read that there are many word abounded or abundant.
Yeah.
So I think that this forest is very large, very huge, very much tree. I think this forest is cover of entire continent. This my thinking about this question.
Okay. Oh my God. All right. That's about the reason they cover the entire continent. But don't you find out a words or something that can support it in this text? The first colonists did not, as many people imagined, find an entire continent covered by a climax forest.
I think this part is supported.
Yeah,
American had
that's,
a wonderfully and full supply of wood. Maybe this sentence that make me talk like that.
yeah, yes, good. Yes, is it? I don't think so. I think so. American had a power, okay, power plant to supply of the wood, and also they say that find an entire continent covered by a climbing forest, even along the Atlantic seaboard. The forest was broken at many points.
Yeah, I think it's contrary to this. I just wondering, but
Yes,
yes, I wondering how to main sentence is in
I
a
know.
contrary.
Yes, of course, that's why I see. First colonies did not, as many people imagined, find an entire continent covered by climax forests. Even along the Atlantic seaboard, the forest was broken at many points. That's why. But especially by comparison to Britain, American has a powerful plenty supply of the wood. Yes, I don't. I think so. Okay. So is it the first part, right? For support the cover an entire continent. Mm, okay. All right. It can be support the part C. But partly for number three. Come on, Mister. Number four. Is there anyone can answer number four? Or find out the support sentence. Okay, let's see. But oh yeah. Yay. Abundant. It's like meninggalkan, if I'm not mistaken. In line 8. Line 8. Encounter 2 and 3. Okay. 3 is abundant. Okay. Nevertheless, all sorts of fine trees abundant and through the early colonial period. What about number 4? Mr. Ahmad, Mr. Lukman, Miss Nida, welcome. Miss Randi. Mr. Randi. Sorry. Abundant is so much, right? Present in a large number, restricted certain areas, cut down, cultivate. Okay. So the meaning is sangat banyak. What about the number 5? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Miss and Mister, come on. I invite all of you. Yuk, Mister, Miss. Sama yuk. Because this is the reading part. Honestly, I also not really mastery for this part. Ya, butuhnya reading, Mister, Miss. Come on, let's try together. It's okay. Feel free. If you have a reason and you find out a sentence can support your answer, tell us. Come on. Part 5. According to the passage, by the end of the colony period, the price of wood is eastern cities. In the eastern cities, tadi kayaknya ada, Mister. Dapat tidak? The end of the colonial period. Hmm, which one? Which one? Line 10. Jauhnya. Okay. But the end of the, oh yeah. By the end of the colonial era, the price of the wood had, yeah, 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 risen slightly the eastern city. Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Oh, thank you, Miss Nida. Thank you, Miss Eddie. So, what's just extremely okay. So the part number A or C, let's see. Rose cooked quickly because wood was becoming was much higher than it was in the Britain. Was slightly higher than previous year. Was much higher than it was Britain, it's not. Part B bukan. Part, okay, part A or part C? Let's see, part A. Tidak ada yang pilih D ya? There is no one choose a D. Tidak ada, kita lihat berapa orang ini yang pilih. Ini Mister, oh, Mister Edi, kalau bukan A sih. Terus kalau Miss Nida sih. Yang D tidak ada ya, Mister? Miss. Was slightly higher than the previous year. Recently is not the same. So I don't think so. I think so. My internet connection is. Yes, the price of wood had risen slightly in. Okay, slightly higher. It's like recently, slightly. Yay. That's it. Okay. Um, Number 5, we decided it together, part C, because we have a sentence can support this answer. What about number 6, Miss and Mr.? I invite all of you. Come on. Mr. Mr. siapa ya? Mr. So, Mr. Ahmad. Mr. Ahmad part nomor 6 apa Mr. Miss Ed, Mr. Edi, Mr. Lukman, Miss Nida, Miss Randi. What can be inferred about a house? Okay. It's like invert itu conclusion about houses in the Britain during the period written about. Okay. Do you have a words? Slides. Mr. Randy. Mr. Randy. Mr. Mana ya? They were more expensive than American houses. Ada houses di sini. Lihat dulu ya. Oh ini dia house. Hi, what about number 6? Number 6. Can be inferred about houses in the Britain. Ini Britain apa American ya? Hmm, ya. Okay. Okay. They were more expensive than American house. No, we don't have this part. Tidak ada. Yuk. Yang ini kita buang. They were generally built imported material. Juga bukan. Ini bukan. All the manner written with my wood. The unknown. Houses and all manner of buildings were made of wood to a degree unknown in Britain. It means in the Britain they didn't use wood. Am I right? Is there anyone to agree with my idea? They didn't use wood. It means there is no wood. Unknown in Britain. See this one. What about your opinion, Miss and Mister? They were generally built with important materials. Very typical small. Okay, I decided to choose part D. What about you, Mr. Hussein, Mr. Eddie, Mr. Lukman, Miss Nida? Because this how to say this one? Because this statement, houses and all manner of building were made of wood to a degree unknown in Britain. Tidak dikenal di Britain. The supply of wood conferred advantages but has some negative aspect as well. Iron at time was ironed because Britain was so stripped of trees, she was unable to exploit her rich iron mines. Okay, I also find out this part. Mm, Britain developed coke's smelting. Terus apa lagi ya? Um, I guess that in the 9th century, farmer colonies like behind Britain to pick up the supply of tobacco. Okay. Yes, I found out is it D. Jawabannya jadinya saya ambilnya D. Bagaimana mister-mister yang lain? Apakah ada yang... Because I found out this one. Tidak ada. Tidak dikenal. Unknown in British. Pakai-pakai kayu katanya nggak dikenal. Berarti they were usually built the materials older than wood. Bagian bawah juga dia bilangnya Britain developed coke smelting. Hmm, the colonists did not follow suit because they had plenty of wood and beside. Oh ya, kalau di colonies in the American, I guess they use a wood, tapi yang sebelahnya tidak. That's all. So number 6, there is no another opinion idea. Okay, we will take it as D. Okay. What about number 7 to number 8? What does the other mention gunpowder in line 19? Mr. Randy? Oh, Mr. Randy left. Oh, don't worry. What time is it? Why does the order mention gunpowder in line 19? 19, on this one, right? Core component gunpowder. Oh my God. To illustrate the negative aspect of industrial process, to give an example of the product, okay, the mind number 19. Thirdly, it was used as a source of important components such as a potash, a component of gunpowder. Give an example, meat. Produk you. Iya, saya juga berpikir. Yeah, Mr. Lukman. I also have the same idea like you. I think it's the made of the wood. Mr. Lukman, Miss Puji, Mr. Edi, Miss Nida, bagaimana nih? Dapatnya itu karena yang bagian ini. Yo. Hmm. The available woods was foundations houses. Secondly, wood was used as a fuel for heating and cooking. Thirdly, it was used as a source of important industrial compounds such as potash, industrial alkali, casual, and component of gunpowder. Peluru mungkin ya. So I decided this is B, to give an example of a product made with wood. Ya, ada lagi Mister? Itu aja. So number 7 is it B. Karena tidak ada lagi, cuman itu. Tapi kalau Miss dan Mister, maksudnya ada yang bisa menentukan. apa ya, kalimat yang lain yang supporting, tapi kayaknya ini supportingnya. Gak ada yang lain-lain. Ya, kayaknya itu. Even if I didn't honestly, I not really know this one. Is it can be happen in the reading. Biasanya kalau di reading, kalau misalnya nggak tahu, posisinya kayaknya itu. Buku Siu atau sesuatu yang bikin Gun punya power. A component of gun power. Mm, yes, I think so. I have the same idea. Kurang lebihnya mungkin entah itu bubuk musiu atau sesuatu yang di dalamnya bubuk musiu. At least is it a power of the gun? Dan dia kayaknya dia talkingnya about bahan-bahan. It was used digunakan sebagai sumber atau bahan penting dari industri compounds seperti potas, alkali, baterai, charcoal, bara, a component of the gun, dan seterusnya. Okay. Number 8. The word confirmed in line 2021. 21. Yeah, 21. 21. Let's see. Okay, Mr. Lukman, Mr. Eddie. Okay. 21. The supply or yeah, gather, provide. Ah, number 9, the phrase hollow suit and the line 27. Cari ya Mister. 9A. Oke, Mister Lukman 9-nya A. Ada yang line 27. Follow suit. Line 27. Mana? Oke, the communist did not follow suit. Did not follow the Mister Mister Lukman said nomor 9A. Iya. Oke. Tidak ikut sesuatu, do the same thing, make an attempt, however, take a risk. Okay, I also think so. Part A. Miss Eddie, Mr. Eddie, Miss Nida, gimana? Okay. For number 9, do you have another idea? Okay, semuanya agree ya. Agree for number 9 because you don't have another choice. Ada tapi hanya ini yang bukan hanya ini, iya yang ini. Kalau yang lain nggak cocok. Okay. Number 10, according to the passage, why was the use of the coke smelting advantageous? Kenapa pakai coke smelting uh, menentukan it led to advantage technology less expensive than production with iron smelting. Okay, smelting coke. Okay. Led advantageous technology or it was less expensive. Tentara ya, Mister. Number 10. Cook smelting led to technology innovation. Is there any another idea? I also have the same things. We are in the same boat. Oke, aman ya. Nomor 10, we have the same opinion. It led advantages in technology because we have a line here. Line 29 sampai 30. Number 11, the phrase cling or clink, I forget to pronounce. 2 in line 33. It's closet in meaning too. Yang mana itu ya? Tertiti 1, 2, 3. Oh ini. To cling to. Reconsider, try to develop, avoid, continue to use, or consider. Continue to use. Retain. The former colonists digest behind retain industry development because their supply of food led them to reconsider, led them to continue to use, led them to avoid, you know, let try to develop. I don't think so for A and B. What about number 11, Mr. and Mr. Nomor 11. Oh, yeah. Mr. Edi B. Cling, cling to avoid. What about another one? Miss Nida or Mr. Lukman? Cling to cocoa island. Continue to use. Gak dapat maksudnya. The former colonists luggage behind Britain industry development because their supply of wood led them. Karena supply woodnya kayak gitu. Karena supply wood former colonists luggage behind Britain the development. Karena supply woodsnya led them. Like memimpin, mengiyakan mereka untuk, is it avoid to Kirkle Island? Reconsider. It isn't the answer. I guess, is it C and D? Because we cannot use avoid there. Kalau avoid, ya kayaknya aneh ya, Miss. Mister. Dia punya their supply of food, mengizinkan mereka, let them to titik-titik avoid. Tapi dia punya supply. Try to develop, I don't think so. Nggak mau. And then we just have C and D. Kira-kira cocoknya yang mana? Oke, Miss Nida. Miss Nida C. Miss Nida wanna say something about the cling to? No? I also have the same opinion, Miss Nida. Kayaknya B, Miss. Okay, two people say is it B and two say that is it C. Kita lihat ya. Let's check it out. The cling to. Cling to. Is it? Let me check the cling to. The cling to, is it to continue? Maybe cling to. Meaning hold on. Melekat. Berpegang teguh. Okay, the meaning of that dari cling to itu hold on tightly or berpegang, dipegang, masih setia. Dari semuanya yang paling cocok dari masih setia we have continue to use. Karena try to development bukan, avoid pasti bukan. Karena kan the meaning of the cling to is it masih berpegang teguh, masih setia. It means continue to use. Nah, kalau reconsider, it's not. Let's see number 12. Where in the passage does the author begin to discuss in detail the advantages that abundant supply of food brought to the colonies. Detail these advantages that the abundant supply of food brought the colonies. Mulai dari, oke, nomor 12. Di Miss Nida. Okay. Would you like to tell me, Miss Nida, which part that support you to choose D? Line 1-3. I'm so okay, don't worry, don't worry. Because okay, line 1 sampai line 3 bukan. Line 5, line 7, 57 di sini ya. 57 juga bukan. 3-14. 3-14 availability of the wood fruit advantages bukan 22 ke 20, 21 ke 22, 21 ke 22 the supply just but ayam but also have a negative aspect. Oke, 21, 22. That's all. Let's see the next part. What is it? Okay, Miss and Mister, this is number 13 to number 19. I invite you to read it first. It's okay. I will read it for you. The pills were, oh no, we can read it together. I don't want to read that so much. The Peels were a distinguished family of American artists. The Charles Wilson Peel is the best remembered for his portraits of the leading figures of the American Revolution. He painted the portraits of the Franklin and Jefferson, and over the dozens of which were succeeded. His life-size portrait of his son was so realistic that you simply put on stick text. Okay, next, Charles Wilson. What is the main idea? What is the main idea of the topic? 13A, Mr. Lukman say that A. Mr. Eddie says C. Okay, Life of Charles Wilson Peel. The Peel Museum. Okay. Alright. I would like to invite Mr. Tak kita cari nih, Mr. Lukman or Mr. Eddie. Mr. Lukman first. Can you tell us which part that make you feel number A, is it good for the answer?
Ya karena sekilas saja sih Miss, yang lain satu kan ceritakan tentang orang ya. Yang paragraf 1, terus yang paragraf 2 masih menceritakan tentang Charles Wilson Peel yang gave up itu. Terus yang ketiga, paragraf 3 juga menceritakan tentang the 70 children were also famous artists. Yes, I think that's
Okay. All right.
about left.
That comes from Mr. Lukman. Okay. Mr. Eddie, Life of Charles Wilson Peel. I don't think so. Number 1, is it A? Yeah, Mr. Oh, kebalik ya. Mr. Lukman A, Mr. Eddie C. Let's try to invite it. Let's try to read it by one. I missed that. The first one, yang paragraf pertama, he painted portrait of Franklin and Jeff. Okay. Terus his life-size portrait of his sons, Raphael and Titian. Terus dari sini paragraf berikutnya Charles Wilson Peel, give up painting, dan seterusnya. Di bagian berikutnya, ini masih tentang Pale ya. The museum most popular is Clayton. Oke. Di bagian paragraf kedua, 3 of Pale's 17 children were also famous artists. Di sini, di paragraf kedua, dia tidak cerita tentang Wilsonnya, si Charles Wilson lagi. Tapi di paragraf kedua, dia cerita tentang anak-anaknya. Terus, another brother. Oh, ini juga. What else? His brother studied under his father and painted portraits of his brother. Raphael Pale often something. Ini masih anak-anaknya ya, Mister. Terus James Pale, the brother of Charles Pale. Okay. His daughter Sarah. His daughter Sarah Miriam Pale was probably the first one. The correct answer or the exactly is it good for part D because they discuss different people. Kalau cuman bilang the life of the Charles Wilson Bale, bawahnya bagian kedua, bagian ketiga, dia cerita tentang anaknya, dan berikutnya dia cerita tentang saudara laki-lakinya yang James Pale. So we cannot, it's not talking about the life of Charles Wilson Pale, life only. Terus nomor B-nya bukan. A Pale museum, it isn't. A Pale live. The Pales, keluarga Pales. The Pales were a distinguished family of American artists. Is it the main topic or the main sentence of this text? The Pales were keluarga Pales adalah distinguished family of American artists. Sisanya penjelasan yang dari Charles Pales. Ini family-nya. Jadi yang bagian paling pertama family-nya masuk di Charles, terus masuk anak-anaknya, terus masuk sama saudaranya. So the correct answer for this part is D, because the first sentence, yang sentence pertama dikasih tahu a distinguished family of American artists. Di bagian isinya dia cerita tentang mereka, tentang keluarga-keluarganya. That's all. What about number 14? 14 and 15. 14 and 15. I think is it 15? Is it easily? Other probable mention the Washington teeth, his hat for the fingers in the painting, line 7, line 6 and 7. 6 and 6 and 7. 5, 6 ya Mister. 6, 7. Ini dia. Indicate that 14 kita lihat ya Mister. 14. His life-size portrait of his son, Raphael and Titian, was so realistic that George Washington reportedly once did. Charles Pale's painting was very lifelike. Washington respect. Okay, Miss Nida Senghor ECP. Washington respected Charles tipped his hat to the figures in the painting. Tipped his hat to the figure. The painting to, let me see. Miss Nida, bagiannya B. Washington respected Charles. No. Pak, it isn't Pak P. Dia tidak, bukan di sini dia lebih ke report mengabarkan. Report, I don't, I guess is it so far kayaknya jauh kalau respected Charles. Cocoknya Washington was very friendly. No. The painting of the two brothers was extremely large, isn't it? No. The Charles painting was very like tipped his hat to the figures in the picture. Okay. My opinion saya is it A. Because kalau B juga bukan, bagian C dengan D juga kurang tepat. Okay. The last one. The last part, number 15. The word setting in the line 12 is lost meaning to which of the following? Number 15. Setting? Okay. Environment 10, 11, 12. Natural setting, natural environment, natural position, natural. So 15 is A. Setting, natural environments. That's all. Yes, Mr. Position is not requirements. It's a natural setting, natural positions, natural environment. Okay, what's number 15? Is it environment? That's all. By the way, Miss and Mister, do you have something to say? Yes, this is our reading part in this night.